Imagine a world where creating a game is as simple as playing one. This was the vision that sparked the inception of Unity Technologies. It all began as a small startup with a lofty goal to democratize game development. Over the years, Unity's mission has evolved, expanding its reach beyond gaming into industries like automotive and architecture. From its modest startup origins, Unity has grown into a global powerhouse, transforming not just the gaming industry, but a host of others too. At the heart of Unity Technologies is the Unity Engine, a powerful tool for creating interactive, real-time 3D content. Packed with a wealth of essential features, it equips developers with the tools they need to create stunning, immersive experiences. From intuitive design interfaces to robust programming frameworks, the Unity Engine is all about empowering creators, regardless of their skill level. That's why it's the go-to choice for millions of developers worldwide. Versatile, robust, and user-friendly, the Unity Engine is the driving force behind countless 3D experiences. The gaming world has been revolutionized by Unity, empowering developers to bring their creative visions to life. From chart-topping indie gems to blockbuster releases, Unity has been the driving force behind countless gaming experiences. It has democratized game development, breaking down barriers for independent creators, while also serving as a reliable tool for major studios. Its flexibility and accessibility have opened up a world of possibilities and creativity in the gaming industry. Unity has indeed leveled the playing field, enabling developers of all sizes to reach audiences around the globe. But Unity's reach extends far beyond the realm of gaming. It's playing an instrumental role in industries like automotive design, where it's used for creating realistic virtual prototypes. In architectural visualization, Unity enables stunning interactive 3D representations of buildings before they're even built. It's also transforming the film industry, enabling real-time rendering and virtual production. And in the realms of virtual and augmented reality, Unity is helping create immersive experiences like never before. Unity is truly transforming industries, enabling professionals to visualize, design, and simulate in entirely new ways. Unity's vibrant community and ecosystem are key components of its success. This ecosystem is rich with resources, tools, and support designed to empower Unity developers. From the asset store, packed with ready-to-use assets, to forums bustling with collaborative discussions and problem-solving, the community is a hub of creativity. Moreover, Unity's educational content, tutorials, and guides help users learn and grow, ensuring they can fully leverage the platform's capabilities. Unity's thriving ecosystem is a testament to its commitment to fostering creativity and innovation among its users. However, like any leader, Unity faces its share of challenges and controversies. Competition from other engines, like Unreal, is fierce, sparking a constant race for innovation. The licensing model debate also rumbles on, with some developers divided over Unity's pricing structure. And let's not forget the pressure to respond swiftly to industry needs and concerns, a task that requires Unity to stay in tune with a rapidly evolving landscape. Despite these challenges, Unity continues to innovate, evolve, and lead the way in real-time 3D content creation. So, what's next for real-time 3D content and Unity? The horizon is filled with exciting possibilities. Virtual and augmented reality are becoming more prevalent, opening up new avenues for immersive gaming and beyond. AI and machine learning are also making their mark, offering smarter, more dynamic experiences. Unity is poised to harness these trends, continually innovating to keep creators at the cutting edge. As the landscape of real-time 3D evolves, there's no doubt that Unity will be at the forefront of this exciting future. Unity Technologies is more than just a software company. It's the engine behind countless 3D experiences, a platform that democratizes game development, and a tool that's transforming industries. Unity has truly become a catalyst for creativity and innovation, empowering creators to bring their visions to life in real-time 3D. As we've seen throughout this video, Unity's impact extends far beyond gaming. Stay tuned for more insights into Unity and its impact on the world of real-time 3D content. Until next time, keep creating!